Hello, future crypto millionaires. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to do some quick technical analysis on API3. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give you my price prediction for 2025. But before we look at the charts, make sure that you join my Telegram group. There is a link in the description below. This is where I post all the trading setups and ideas that I am looking at every single day. AI tokens, gaming projects, meme coins, RWAs, dipping, all that good stuff and many more can be found on my Telegram group. It's free for now, but it's not going to be free forever, so make sure that you join as soon as possible. Also, do me a solid and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click the like button and let's get straight into it. As you see here on CoinMarketCap, API3 is currently ranked 320. The price is at $1.75, almost 8% up for the day, and the market cap is sitting at 150 million, which means that there is a lot of room to grow here, lots of potential upside. If we take a look at the all-time chart, we see that this token has experienced a bull run before. It was created on December of 2020, and it put an all-time high at $1.50 in 2021 during the previous bull run. Since then, the price action has been pulling back down, and we are currently at range lows. Before we look at the chart on TradingView, let's talk about what is API3 real quick. So, smart contracts often struggle to access dependable data, but application programming interfaces, APIs, have been touted as a solution to this problem. API3's stated goal is to allow decentralized versions of APIs to be built, managed, and monetized at scales. As blockchain technology plays an ever bigger role in the economy, from decentralized finance to supply chain management, the team behind this project says it has never been more important for smart contracts to provide timely, reliable, real-world data. This is their website. You can find them at api3.org. Look what it says here, oracles that pay you. Oracles are tools or services that connect blockchains to external real-world data, enabling smart contracts to interact with off-chain information. And this narrative has been pretty hot. If you scroll down, you can see that API3 is available here. Look at all these names, Arbitrum, Avalanche, Base, Blast. It's available everywhere, basically. And then if you scroll down even more, you see their partners. You can go through this on your own time. They have a few big names here. You can Google them and see on your own time. This is their X account. You can find them at API3 DAO. Oracles that pay you. API3 Market. You can check it out at market.api3.org. So they are pretty active on X, posting every single day. And as you see here, they have over 71,000 followers. This is the chart, API3 STT daily chart on Binance. If we zoom out, we see that here on Binance, API was listed later, and therefore the all-time high that we see here occurred on February of 2022 at $9.50, which is different than what we saw on CoinMarketCap. As you see here, the all-time high occurred on April of 2021. So from the all-time highs at $9.70 here on Binance, we see that API3 pulled back almost 90%. And so, as I told you earlier, we are currently at range lows. Recently, on February and March of 2024, when the whole crypto market pumped, API3 experienced a nice little run-up all the way up here to almost $5, $4.92. And since then, the price action has been pulling back down inside this falling wedge pattern. We have this lower descending yellow trend line that has been acting as support the past few months. Look at this. We had a nice bounce here, another bounce, another bounce. And this can be considered a bounce here. So we might see another bounce here in the coming days. Who knows? If the price action gets rejected up here, we might see a move all the way down here. And this is basically the all-time lows. If you zoom out, you can see this. So this is going to be a very nice buying opportunity in my eyes, if it happens. As you see here, we also have this upper descending yellow trend line that has been acting as resistance. We had a nice rejection here, another one, clean rejection, this one that's more recent. And we are currently testing this descending yellow trend line that has been acting as resistance. So there are two ideas that might play out in the coming days. Idea A would be to see another rejection here and the price action to start moving down again towards the lower support. And again, this is going to be a very nice buying opportunity. Anywhere inside this range that I have here on the chart, that's ranging between 0.852 and 1.40. Of course, if we zoom in, we can draw another trend line here. Look at this. Something like this. For those of you short-term traders, look at this idea here. As you see, the price action has been bouncing on this orange trend line that I have here on the chart. We had a nice bounce here, actually two bounces here, right next to each other. And then we had another bounce and another, and this one. So if the price action moves down, starts heading towards this orange trend line, if we see a bounce here, that is going to be another very nice buying opportunity, somewhere around here, maybe. However, if the price action breaks below this orange trend line that I have here on the chart, I would expect more downside, maybe towards all the way down here. So watch for a bounce here above this orange trend line, or watch a bounce all the way down here, which is basically the lowest price levels that API3 has ever been in 2023. So this was idea A pullback to one of these key support levels. But there is another idea that might play out, which is a breakout above this upper descending yellow trend line that has been acting as resistance. So we might see a breakout above this, maybe a retest, and a continuation move to the upside, hitting the rest of the targets that I have here on the chart. A breakout of this resistance trend line and a retest would be a clear indication that the trend is about to change, that we are breaking out of this downtrend that API3 has been experiencing the past few months. And that's going to be very bullish. So if idea B plays out sometime in the coming days, weeks, I have a few targets here on the chart. The first target is located at $2 price level to the first target, is approximately a 28% move. The second target is located at $2.78, and the measured move is 54%. Next target at $3.24, that's an 80% move. And this target at $3.73, that's over 100% move, guys. So you can double your money here. The measured move to that recent high that we saw on February of 2024, which is located at $4.90. From the current price levels, the measured move is at 175%, which is a very nice move if it happens. API3 has only a market cap of 153 million. So it doesn't need a lot of liquidity in order to make a move like this. 100%, 200%, it can easily happen. If we zoom out, we can see the all-time highs here on Binance at $9.74. The measured move from the current price levels to the all-time high, that's a 450% move approximately. A 5x move. What I am currently doing, guys, is that I am trying to find tokens like this one, API3, that are currently at range lows. And I am planting my seeds. So I am buying a little bit here, a little bit then, and when these charts play out and the price action starts moving upwards, then I'm going to have at least a small position all the way down here at these range lows. And as the time goes by, I'm going to be watching for breakouts. And then when I find a very nice breakout all the way up here, let's say, or in price discovery, then I'm going to make a bigger trade where I put more money, or maybe down here. It depends. But planting small seeds is very important because during a bull run, most of these charts are going to play out. Things are going to be pumping like crazy. So having bought at range lows allows you to make huge profits if you catch a very nice trade all the way up here and it gives you back a 100% profits. Your profits will be way greater during the harvest season if you've planted your seeds all the way down here. So this is what I am doing. Now, if we zoom out, I have a price prediction here for you for 2025. That's not too crazy, in my opinion. I think that API3 can pull a 10x move in 2025. The measured move from the current price level to the price of $20 is a 1000% move, a 10x move. And if API3 manages to hit that price level of $20, it's going to have a market cap of 1.5 billion, which is totally possible for a token that currently has a market cap of 150 million. Please let me know in the comments below, what do you think about API3? What is your price prediction for 2025? That's all I had for you today, guys. Thanks for watching. A lot more setups are coming up today and tomorrow. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of this. Click the like button and hit the bell icon so you receive notifications when I give you updates on these setups. with new Fibonacci levels in the coming days, weeks, and months. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.